Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Sunday. You know what that means. Robin and I have already been shopping. We did an excellent job this week with our grocery bill. This just goes to show that good planning will save you money. Friday, we did a burger bar. It was fun. Yeah, I overcooked the burgers just a little bit. Yeah, I don't like to grill. Last night, we went to the River Cats game. It was actually a union event with Local 1. It was a lot of fun. Robin's brother, George, went with us. Yeah, the food, there's pictures of the food in the group. It was not bad. Good quality hot dogs. They were actually kind of big around. They weren't skimpy. The tri-tip. Okay, I'm just confirming with my beautiful bride. Yeah, the tri-tip was very well done. A nice sauce. Mac and cheese, not bad for basically catered. You have fruit salad and peanuts and popcorn, and it was and a barbecue chicken. That wasn't bad either. So tonight, I'm doing shrimp gumbo. Luckily, shrimp was on sale this week, $41.50 count. The recipe, aka also method, is Alton Brown's. And I'm using Alton Brown's method because of the roux. A lot of people don't like to make gumbo because of how dark you have to make the roux. It's tricky. Alton's method is to bake it, not to put it on the stovetop. So, let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Obviously, Dutch oven. The saute pan or fry pan actually is out to brown the andouille sausage, and we're having it over rice. I have already measured out the flour for the roux, and we'll be using vegetable oil for the fat. Like I said, we got some 4150 shrimp, which I will clean, and part of Alton's recipe is I'll be using the shrimp shells to make a simple shrimp broth that will be part of the water that will be part of the gumbo itself. Of course, we have andouille sausage, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, and it kind of basically is the Cajun mirepoix, onion, bell pepper, and celery. There's garlic, of course. I'll be adding about the half of the can of this diced tomatoes. And there's going to be some thyme, cayenne powder, of course it's Cajun, and filet powder. I actually bought this several months ago in anticipation of this gumbo. And some bay leaves. And of course the long grain white rice for the gumbo to go over. So yeah, I hope this works. Making a regular golden roux or a blonde roux, that's pretty easy. Basically it's going to be a dark reddish brown color. It's not quite the darkest roux you can do, but yeah, I'm trusting Alton. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.